Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to plot Mohr circle in Python. So let's see the first demo. So you can see that a Mohr circle is there. Now it is an interactive one, so you can just play with it and visualize it. So what is the stress on sigma? So if I decrease this value to -11, you can see that the graph is changing and you can see the radius of the Mohr circle is 35.78. You can truncate this value or as per your requirements. And if I decrease the tau tangential stress, you can see how does it look like. You can make it 0 as well. Okay, just go here, press Ctrl A and type 0. So you can see this is how it look like. -11 and -50. So in that way you can make your custom as per your requirement and you can see the radius as well. Now a question comes to your mind, how does this code work? That is the main thing. So let's see the code part. So first, I will import all the important libraries, for example, NumPy, Matplotlib, and IPyWidgets. IPyWidgets basically contains these interactive parts, sliders, okay, so that we can interact with our graph. Now, first I create a function called plot more circle. So it take parameters sigma x, forces on x direction, forces on y direction, and tau xy. First thing that I will try to calculate is I will try to calculate the center of origin. So it will be sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2. Sigma x, sigma y divided by 2. Okay. After that, I will try to find the radius, that is sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 square plus tau xy square, and this whole term is under root. SQRT means square root. And okay, theta line space 0 np to pi. This is basically to define the angle of it. And xy basically, uh, this basically calculate the center. This basically calculate the radius. But where how to plot this value on the graph? So these are the xy coordinates used to tell the circle, hey, this is where you are going to plot the circle, etc., etc. Okay. Here I'm putting the radius of the circle. Now, after that, I'm plotting the values. Notice something that plt.text this thing. So this thing tells, hey, that go to these values sigma x and tau xy and write the text. So tau x, tau y, this is the point, and it is writing what? The coordinates of it, so that you can visualize it as per the requirements of it. Now I change the value and let's make it 33. So now you can see, now you're able to see it. And plt.x is equal basically means that make it equal circles, make it equal on sides. For example, if I remove this, it will be unequal and you will not able to visualize. You will say what kind of garbage it is. Let's run this code. You will be able to see what I mean. Now it looks like little bit ellipse. If you notice correctly, it is not, it look like a fully circle. So that is the reason we don't do here. We use plt.x is equal, so it will make complete circle. I know some people might not able to visualize, but if you watch my previous videos of how to draw a simple circle, you will able to visualize why there is need to put plt.x is equal. And I'm giving the title, label, and grid, so you can see the grid. If you don't want to see the grid, simply click on it and press Control divide icon. Click on play, and it will remove all the grid in the background. It's up to you what you like or not. And plt show to show my graph. By the way, in basically uh, in Jupyter notebook, there is no need to type plt.show. It is basically for, if you are using other compilers, then there might be needed, but I don't personally feel that there is need to type plt.show. Plt.show means, hey, that I have plotted the graph, now show me. Sometimes what happens that if you don't write this command, it doesn't show the graph. So, but I don't find any issues in Google Colab. So yeah, you can look at yourself. After that, I have done some important thing. So hey, I'm saying, hey, interact with what? I created a function called plot more circle. This one. and there are some certain widgets. For example, sigma x, its minimum value is minus 100, maximum value is 100. Step 1, it means that if I want to move, for example, 0.1, 0.2, I can't. The minimum step is 1, so I can go to 0 to 1, 1 to 2, but I can't go from 1 to 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, etc. And value 50 basically means that the default value, when I run this code, it will be 50. And description define what should be called sigmax. Okay, similarly I define y and tau xy. I hope it clears your doubt. And I know that most people said, hey man, I don't able to understand how does this code work. No worry, no issues. All you have to do is just check out the blog link in description. I have written down deep detail. What is a Mohr circle, how its formula derive, and other things. So you can just go there and check it out. So that's for all. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.